Good day, my name is Julio Vargas, and today I'm going to make this tutorial to tell you about one plugin that I'm using in my websites that help you to make your content in video, and you can upload to YouTube and you can generate more traffic to your blog, because this video is like a backlink that's going to redirect the traffic to your blog post, and you can make money with YouTube and you can make money with your website, because this is a software for water blogs that you can buy in this platform, but you can, as a creative marketer, you can sell it and you can generate some income with this plugin. I'm going to share with you my screen to show you how you can build you can make your videos from your posts. And if you are building one YouTube channel, you can grow it with this plugin, and you are using in your website, and you can use it in YouTube, this content, and you're going to generate income from both sides.
All online marketers would agree that website traffic is integral to the success of any online business. After all, the more people visit your site, the more potential customers you have. Everybody is too focused about ranking higher in Google because it is the world's most popular search engine in the internet, with a mobile and tablet search engine share of 81%. But how about adding YouTube as a traffic source, since it is the second biggest search engine in the world, with people watching over 5 billion videos every day? This is only possible by using WP Video Machine. What is WP Video Machine? WP Video Machine is a brand new WordPress plugin that gets you unlimited free traffic and backlinks by converting your blog posts into videos in just one click, without any complicated video software or manual work. This one-of-a-kind software can now turn all your WordPress blog posts into content videos and publish them on YouTube, which is the most visited video site in the world. Using this software is by far the fastest and easiest way to create videos, and not just any video at that. The video quality is amazing, complete with various features, transforming it into a platform that offers high conversion traffic. How does WP Video Machine work? WP Video Machine offers a complete WP-based platform and does not require any further installation. Your influx of traffic is possible with just 3 easy steps. Step 1. Add the WP Video Machine plugin into your WordPress site. Step 2. Select the post from your site that you want to convert to video format. Step 3. Just press one button and your video gets created in minutes and uploaded to YouTube automatically. With above simple steps, you are on your way to doubling your leads and sales using your newly converted blog posts into videos without you actually making a video. http://fantastic.wisdom.com/medias/0jxymb8amf ? Embed type equals async and video phone equals true and video width equals 640. About the creator, Ankur Shukla created the WP Video Machine. He is an innovative entrepreneur, expert online marketer and straightforward marketing consultant who excels in developing software that generates leads and sales. He has been a top vendor and affiliate with many successful products that have helped marketers online. Advantages: top marketers who have tried and tested WP Video Machine are raving about it, saying all positive feedbacks. 100% newbie friendly with its super simple launch method, uncomplicated design and really easy steps. WP Video Machine is a one-click software that can turn your blog posts into a talking video complete with images, music, texts and voiceover, plus it publishes the newly created video on YouTube automatically. Generate free traffic with just a click of the button. Saves you time, money and energy by skipping hours of creating videos, spending money on expensive video software and hiring video editors. It comes with 12 amazing features that come built in with your Video Machine software to ensure the easiest way to turn blog posts into free traffic. WP Video Machine comes with special bonuses, namely live training on making $100K per year in easy passive income, Welcome Matt WP plugin for fast list building and live training how to create quick money pages in just 10 minutes and profit from them using free traffic. Your investment is protected with a 30 days money back guarantee. If you encounter a technical problem about the product and the team fails to resolve it, you will be given a refund within 30 days from your date of purchase. Disadvantages: refunds are only for technical issues which will take up to 10 days. You will need a fast and reliable internet connection. Recommendation: WP Video Machine is a great and impressive tool, especially for online business owners. You are saved from all the hassle and expenses of creating your own video and building backlinks just to drive the traffic that you need. With the power of just one click, WP Video Machine does all the hard work for you, converting your blog posts into a video complete with elements that make it engaging and educational. Because of its automation feature, anybody can use it. Everything is done simply and easily so that you can smoothly implement and use the software. The present times also suggest how people are seeing videos as a marketing tool, making it one of the most effective higher conversion tools. If you want to boost your leads and increase your income, WP Video Machine is the tool for you.